This nail art tools kit included 5 PCs nail dotting tool, 5 wheels nail rhinestones, 50 PCs nail sticker decal, 10 PCs nail striping line, 1 PCs nail file, 1 PCs nail buffing block, 1 PCs nails sticker pusher. A selection of 5 wheels nail art manicure nail rhinestones decoration, 12 colors of nail art rhinestones. 5 boxes rhinestones included round, multicolor, gold silver, clear, etc. different color and pattern stones. Style: metal, acrylic, pearl. Suitable to use on top of nail polish, UV gel, acrylic, decoration of cell phone case, greeting card, crafts, etc. Nail sticker decal. 50 different design water transfer nail decals fit all fingernails and nail tips, makes your nail stunning. Manicure tools. 1 PC's nail sanding files and 1 PC's buffing block. Essential nail art tools for filing nails before nail treatment, nail extension, manicure procedures. Can be used to file natural nails, false nails, nail extensions, etc. Nail dotting tool. Tool can be used for creating dots, decreasing size and to pull dots into different shapes, used on natural nails, false nails, acrylic nails. Top reviews from the United States. So many fun pieces. This nail art kit was so exciting to open up. It made me feel like a little girl again, with its tiny flower stickers, metallic straps, and handy tools to use. It's quite a lot for the nice price. It will last a while and there's sure enough to share with other girls. Did someone say nail salon party?